Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly and today I'm gonna show you how to master your eyeliner with different angles, upwards, outwards, or downwards. There are several types of eyeliner products available, each with its own unique features and benefits, like pencil, powder, gel, liquid or pen. You can use anything you have on hand and feel confident with. For me, I find the best way to draw eyeliner is using gel eyeliner with an angle brush. That's why I'm gonna use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio gel liner with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush number 14 today. First, we have straight outwards eyeliner, the most natural eyeliner that looks good on everyone in my opinion. Straight eyeliner is a simple and classic style of applying eyeliner where the liner is drawn in a straight line extending the upper lash line without any angles or flicks. It's a versatile look that can work well for various occasions and eye shapes. To achieve that, I look straight to the mirror and start at the end of the outer corner. I take some gel liner on the brush and put it horizontally and stamp it on. Then I connect it to my upper lash line and stop when I reach the iris. Because I have hooded eyes, I prefer to draw eyeliner only on the 1/3 of the outer corner of my eye, then tie line to make the eye look more complete. So I just stop there and slowly thicken it up, but not too thick as I prefer a more natural look. To make it a little bit longer, I put the brush horizontally like before, then extend it straight outwards and repeat the process. When connecting to the upper lash line, you may lower the mirror and lightly look down for a better view and easier application. But keep checking how it goes by looking straight to the mirror. Remember to blend in with the upper lash line so it won't look odd. Feel free to bring the liner up to the inner corner if you like. I'm just demonstrating only at the outer corner today, but I have several eyeliner tutorials on my channel where you can see the complete look with tie lining. I will put them in the description box below in case you're interested. Next, we have upwards eyeliner, the most common eyeliner that every beginner wants to learn. Wing eyeliner. Wing eyeliner is a popular makeup style where eyeliner is applied upwards that creates a wing or flick at the outer corner of the eye. This style can give your eyes a lifted and elongated appearance. In many tutorials for wing eyeliner, you're told to create a flick by extending your lower lash line up to the end of the eyebrow. But I find it doesn't look good on every eye shape, especially hooded eyes, as the angle may go up too high and can interfere with the hood and make the liner look distorted. I will share with you how I do to make it work better. I do apply the technique to follow the lower lash line as a guide, but I will adjust the angle of the brush. Instead of going up that direction, I usually lower the angle of the brush to avoid the hood and create a flick like so. The angle is different for everyone and every eye shape, so only you know what looks best on your eye shape by practicing and experimenting with different angles. I also keep it at the 1/3 of my outer corner only. Then I create a triangle by dragging the end of the flick towards the upper lash line. But I keep it really thin so it won't mess up with the hood, then fill in the triangle. If you have hooded eyes and go straight out to the center of the eye, the liner will not look good. Just go slow and build up gradually. It's easier to build up than to remove or fix. Don't forget to keep checking from a distance to make sure the liner is going the direction that you expected. Remember to blend in with the upper lash line so it won't look odd. Let's have a look at both styles of eyeliner. I don't do tie lining today as I want you to see how simple and natural eyeliner can look. You don't have to complicate it. You can definitely do eyeliner with or without tie lining, or drawing eyeliner all the way to the inner corner. Just do whatever you love and suit you best. Let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Now move to the last one, downwards eyeliner, as known as puppy eyeliner. The eyeliner will go slightly downwards at the outer corner of the eye. This style aims to create a cute and youthful appearance by imitating the innocent and adorable look of puppy eyes. To achieve it, I will follow my upper lash line when I look straight to the mirror and put the brush downwards to create a line extending the upper lash line. And just like the wing eyeliner, use this as a guideline and adjust the angle according to your eye shape or your preference. Then I build up the thickness and blend it into the lash line. For this style, I don't recommend making it too thick or too long, as it can make your eyes look droopy and heavy. It's best to keep it higher than the lowest point of your lower lash line. And to match up the liner on the other side, you just need to draw the liner with the same angle you did on this side. This style has been very popular recently. If you get bored with wing eyeliner, give this a try. Let's have a look at the upwards and downwards eyeliner together. Let me know which one you like better. While certain eyeliner styles might be recommended for specific eye shapes, there are no rules in makeup. If you're unsure which style suits you best, you can always experiment with different styles to see which one resonates with you the most. Keep in mind that makeup is a form of self-expression, so go with what makes you feel beautiful and comfortable. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next one. Bye.